Have you noticed something recently? A lot of YouTube video advice sound exactly the same, to me at least. And I think that's actually a problem. Because even though I was watching a lot of content, I couldn't really find anything that was pushing me forward to actually start and take action on what I wanted to do. And the other thing is that now that I start posting, I find myself using a lot of ChatGPT for brainstorming and coming up with ideas. And then I noticed something. Some of the suggestions that I was getting from ChatGPT were exactly the same video that I was seeing from other creators that I was following even before I was started my own channel. So that made me realize, are this content made just because people are getting input from AI and they are not really thinking with their own experience anymore? And don't get me wrong, I really think everybody should leverage the use of AI to simplify their process of idea generation and refinement. But I think now a lot of people have lost the fact that they were sharing their own experience and they're just getting what AI is suggesting them and creating content out of that without putting their own struggle, their own experience, their own problems as part of their content. And that's what was making YouTube interesting to me, was to see each and every one perspective. That side of thing was making things real, relatable. And I'm not talking about small channel or big channel. I see this kind of everywhere across the line. And that kind of changed the way I approach using AI for coming up with my video idea. I think a lot of people just put the wrong input. Give me 4 video topic that I can talk about and this is my niche. And if everybody use the same input, then we're gonna get the same answer and the same video pretty much. So what I found that makes a bit of a difference is to add into your input when you write on ChatGPT or whatever other AI tool you're using. Just say the way you are feeling or what you are thinking and developing around that. You can get the topic, but you shouldn't get the whole script, the whole video generated by AI, because then everybody's gonna get the same answers. So just add your own perspective, your own thoughts, and then you can refine with AI. But your point of view is what make your content special. Because if everybody does the same, then you become replaceable. And then it doesn't matter if a person watch a video about a specific topic that is made from you, from me, or from someone else. It's gonna be all the same. But if you are able to add your own perspective, then you become original and you have a much higher chance to get your channel to be discovered, to get views, and to don't feel sad to have 10 views on your video after you publish it. And if you're wondering what actually matters when you are starting a YouTube channel, you can watch this video here. And that's it from me now, and I'll see you in the next one.